Today, we mark an auspicious event in the history of our Senedd as we look forward to celebrating 20 years since the election of the first Assembly in 1999. I'm pleased to announce that this place is about to become home to a second exciting Senedd, our first ever Youth Parliament. And this is a conclusion of many months of work by organisations, schools and the dedicated Youth Parliament team at the Assembly, and we are very much indebted to everyone who ensured that this project has come to fruition. Over 450 young candidates, almost 250,000 registered to vote, representation the length and breadth of Wales, and the statistics speak volumes about their success.
To enthuse the next generation, and I'm confident that these young parliamentarians will be fabulous champions for the issues of importance to the young people of Wales. I'm pleased, therefore, to announce the first ever members of the Welsh Youth Parliament, representing constituencies and partner organisations nationwide. Here are the 60 names. Dyma enwau'r seneddwyr ifanc.
From North Wales,
Evan Burgess, Nia Griffiths, Brengain Glyn Williams, Tallulah Thomas, Harrison James Gardner, Thomas Comer, Ifan Price. Abby Carter, Jonathan Dawes, Jonathan Powell, Ifan Wyn Erfil Jones, Grace Barton, Hasna Ali, Katie June Whitlow. O'r canolbarth ar Gorllewin, Mid and West Wales, Arianwen Fox James, Margaret Lois Campbell, Kai Thomas Phillips, Caleb Rees. Megan Carys Davies, Rhys Lewis, Ellie Murphy. O'r De Ddwyrain, South Wales East, Callen Jones, Aled Joseph, Gwion Richard, Betsan Roberts, Rhian Shillabeer, Manon Clark, Fionn Griffiths, Tommy Church, Lloyd Mann, Charlie Oliver Holland, Finlay Bertrand, Maisie Evans, Abby O'Sullivan, Luke Parker, Caris Thomas, Angel Esdoom, Greta Evans, Chloe Giles, Abby Cooper, Levi Rees. Ac yn ola, finally, De Orllewin Cymru, South West Wales. Croeso I Cian Agar, Todd Murray, Eleri Griffiths, Fionn Haf Davies, Eleanor Lewis, Lane Woolcock, Evan Rhys Fairclough, Alice Hall, Ruth Sibayan, Ubaday Rahman, Lleiki Haf William, Caitlin Stocks, Casey Jane Bishop, Oliver Davis, Sandy Ibrahim, Nia Rose Evans, Anwen Grace Rodaway, Sophie Billinghurst, a William Hackett. Dyna nhw felly, llongyfarchiadau.
Congratulations to all of them.
Taking them all to the Senedd for their inaugural meeting in February. Llongyfarchiadau pawb.
Congratulations, everyone.